boys and girls, and welcome back to your math lesson. I am Ms. Moran, and today we will continue reviewing our numbers, specifically number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to review it so that we are able to identify those numbers and also that we're able to match up the objects to that number, okay? So today I want to start off with the same video that I showed you yesterday. It's going to start off with the dots. So try to say the answer, count the dots, say the answer before the number is given or before the answer is given, okay? So let me start that out. Okay, try to say the answer before they show us the number, and then you can look at the number. Okay, so I stopped it right there because that's something very similar to the activity we're going to do today and also to your homework. So let's start our activity. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Okay, so in today's activity, I'm going to show you a dice and we're going to count the dots and then we're going to decide which is the number that goes with it. So here, how many dots do I have? 1, right? So which one is number 1? Okay, this one is number 1. This one goes with that one. They go together. All right. So now look at these dots. How many dots are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So which one is number 4? Look at this one. Which one's number 4? This is number 4. All right. Okay. Now look at this dice. Or this die. How many dots does it have? How many does it have in here? How many dots? It has nothing, right? What number is it when there's nothing? When you have nothing, what number is it? I'll give you a clue. With our hand, we show it like this. This is the number. What number is that? When you have nothing. That's going to be number 0. Now let's look at these numbers. Which one is number 0? This one's going to be number 0. Okay. Now look at this one. Count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Look at these numbers. Which one do you think is number 5? Is it this one, or this one? It's not this one. So take a look at this too. I know sometimes we get confused with these ones. Which one's number 5? It's going to be this one. All right? Okay. Count the dots. 1, 2, and 3. Good job. So which one is number 3? It's going to be this one right here. All right. Now look at this one. How many dots? 1, 2. So we know it's 2, but which one is number 2? It's not this one, so which one is number 2? It's going to be this one right there. All right. So this activity we just did is very similar to our homework. Let me show you our homework now. Okay, guys, so this is your homework right here. You're going to have different dice, and then you have to decide which one is the correct number. I know you can count them, but now it's